In this video, I will show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller when there is a blue blinking light. We will be covering a few methods, so make sure to stick around. For the first method, I need to mention that your controller might be blinking simply because it didn't pair to your console. To make sure it's paired, grab your controller cable and connect your controller that way. Take this part, plug it into your controller at the top, and then take the USB part and plug it into your console. Now, try and see if this helped you and made your controller work. If it didn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, try restarting your controller. To do that, try holding the button for a few seconds. And as you can see, my controller just turned off. Now press the PlayStation button once again and it should turn back on. Now you can try and use it, and if this didn't help, move on to the next method. For the next method, try resetting your controller. To do that, flip over your controller, then take a sharp tiny object such as a toothpick, a bobby pin or a SIM ejector tool, and then locate this hole next to the bolt on the back of your controller. Take the sharp object and just put it inside of that hole and press down. Then your controller should automatically disconnect from your console after a few seconds. As you can see, it just did. Then you can flip it over and press the PlayStation button once again, and now you have successfully resetted your controller. Now you can try and use it, and if this didn't help you, move on to the next method. For the next method, try restarting your PlayStation 4. To do that, press and hold the power button on your PlayStation for a couple of seconds, and wait until it completely shuts down. By that I mean the LED light on the power button stops lighting up and the PlayStation stops making noise. Then after that happens, turn it back on by pressing the power button once again. If this didn't resolve your issue, move on to the next method. For the last method, try connecting your controller to another device and see if the issue continues. Your controller might be having a hardware issue, meaning that it can't fully connect to a device. If that is the case, you might need to buy a new controller or send yours to a repair shop. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.